Welcome to the video intended to guide you through connecting multiple TV screens for an amplified viewing experience. Whether you're planning to enjoy a movie with friends or need to display content in a professional environment, this guidance will be helpful. Determine your goal first. Are you looking to connect multiple televisions for home entertainment, gaming, or perhaps a business presentation? The intended use will have a significant impact on the setup. The necessary apparatus includes HDMI cables, a splitter or switcher, along with further devices such as gaming consoles or media players. Use an HDMI splitter to duplicate content on multiple TVs. Start by linking the source device, for instance, a Blu-ray player, to the input of the HDMI splitter. Following this, attach HDMI cables from the splitter's output to each TV. To present varying content on each television, employ an HDMI switcher. Link up a number of originating devices, such as gaming systems or cable boxes, to the inputs of the switcher. Following that, connect the output of the switcher to your televisions. Adjust your devices to suit your display needs. For your gaming consoles, tweak the settings to accommodate split-screen gameplay. When delivering presentations, establish extended desktop mode on your computer. Turn on your televisions, input gadgets, and the dividers or switchers. Confirm that every connection is firmly in place. Check the setup to confirm that each television is showing the needed content. Encountering issues like no signal or poor quality, it's recommended to inspect your cables, power sources, and device settings. On some occasions, you may find the need to switch to higher quality HDMI cables. You now know how to link numerous TV screens. It could be for the entertainment, gaming, or business, but the procedure is relatively simple. We trust that this has been of assistance. If you found this video beneficial, we would appreciate a thumbs up and your subscription for more valuable tech tutorials.